the late adopter. Wow. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the new video. Welcome back to the place where we do technical analysis on Bitcoin every single day at 9:30. Are you feeling good, guys? We got a red weekly candle. Sorry, green weekly candle. So I'm guessing everybody's good and nice. I mean, decently green, so we cannot complain about that. We cannot complain about that. A lot of people in chat. How you guys doing? Doing good? Hello, Jack. Hello, Research. Emerald Rich. John. Paulia J. What was that? Taro Bram. Christina. Patrick. Linda. Chippy Paul. John. Martin. Martin's a Patreon member. Yeah, hello everybody. How you guys doing? We still got our merch. Wait. See, still got merch. Very nice. By the way, if you wanted this cup, you can buy this cup. It's slightly used, but it's up on the table. We only have to discuss the price because, we have merch, but not like everybody else that, sell just t-shirts and cups and stuff. No. This is an exclusive cup, one of a kind. We gotta have some kind of bidding going on the cup. How you guys doing? So people are saying that XRP is doing good. Yeah, 10% up. So XRP is definitely doing good right now, having some really nice pump. But let's see if there is anything else on my list over here that's doing really good like XRP. Let me just see this other list over here. Now there's something called Band. Band is doing like 25%, but some kind of small coins always do that. Yeah, XRP is definitely doing good. Well, where is our XRP? Yeah, XRP is doing good. You can see here on the daily chart, breaking the resistances. Now there are still 16 hours left of this, but 4 hourly, yeah, definitely doing really good. So maybe if the XRP is some kind of leading indicator, and it will tell us how the Bitcoin will perform. Anyways, guys, let's do this. Let's get into the charts and see what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Plus 0.35%. So let's see what's happening on the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we didn't close below any kind of important, the way I see it, important or above important. So we are right now in this trading range over here. Still, we closed exactly over here. The good thing over here is that we got some kind of doji in the middle here. So we got a big red candle, doji. Now if this candle becomes a very big green candle, this must be actually some kind of bottoming pattern. So that might be a thing, but that's assumption, and it's gonna last for a week. So maybe on next Sunday we're gonna talk about that. But right now, like, we are just glad that it starts off as a green candle. It actually started off as a it started off actually as red because sorry about that. It started off as red because we started the day. Yeah, we start here, then we pumped and then crashed totally. So we went down like 4%. So around 6 a.m. That's like 4 hours ago. Was anybody awake 4 hours ago and was seeing this dump? Like, did alts go down like 20% or something like that? I'm really interested because I didn't see, because this is the 4% down for BTC, right? This is the 4% down for BTC. Now, if BTC went down 4% today, then I'm guessing all alts went down like 10+%. So I didn't see the madness that was going on. No alts don't go down. So only Bitcoin went down. So only Bitcoin went down, and alts didn't crash like 20%. Alts stay 1-2%. Yeah, okay. That's also a thing you should notice. If Bitcoin goes down like 4% and alts crash like 20%, then probably the dump is real. But if there is not correlation between alts and Bitcoin, meaning Bitcoin goes down 4% and alts doesn't do the same, they stay in the range like Bitcoin, like 3-4%, the dump might not actually be that important or that severe. It might also only be some kind of manipulation. So before it was really important to know, that alts and Bitcoin is not correlated, but right now they're so much correlated. Then when they are not correlated, then something is wrong. It's just like RSI indicator. We are looking for RSI divergence when RSI is going in different direction than Bitcoin, and the same thing goes over here. We want Bitcoin and alts to go in the same direction with a little bit more juice on the alts, right? But if they're not doing that, then something is wrong. So basically, weekly right now, not happening much, but we did create really nice support for the right now at 35,888. So this over support on the weekly is right now created and should be respected. Was that? That's 747. Is this? Was that? Yeah, that's 747 actually. 747. Let's write 747. So this support over here, it's a new support you guys need to know about, because right now we have one red candle and a green candle. These both candles are close and they made a support at 734, 747. So important to know that part. You can see over here we kind of broke it, but the close was actually at 34,747. Now on the daily chart, we still got, guys, this might actually be the bottom. I'm gonna tell you, this might be the bottom that we are right in now, and we're gonna pump like some crazy numbers from over here. It's not confirmed yet, but we take what we get. So what we have right now is double the divergence. This is the first divergence, the price going down, the RSI going up, and this is the second, the price is still going down and the RSI is still going up. This is double divergence on the RSI. It's very powerful and should push the price, I think, a lot higher than at least 10 moving average. If we break the 10 moving average, then we might actually risk go all the way up to the 40 kind of levels. The way I see it. There is also, of course, the triangle. Let me just zoom in a little bit on this so you can see this better. There is also, of course, the triangle that we have to follow, right? But the first thing first, we want to get above the 10 moving average. I'm pretty confident we are going to get above the 10 moving average, and that's going to be pretty soon, unless this starts dumping like some crazy numbers. But the fact that we started the day going into the green, into the red, and then continued going up, that I think that's a quite positive look, then going into green and then going down to the red. So that might be also a thing. We got support down here. You can see here that we held it. This is on the Bitfinex chart. We held the support 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So it's really good. We are still holding the support, this Bitfinex chart. But even on the Binance chart, you can see here that we are actually above this line. So maybe this line should be something like this, give or take. But we are above it, and so far all good. So I'm confident that we are gonna break it. But if you get rejected by the 10 moving average, that will be a definite like selling signal over here if you can not get above the 10 moving average. So I'm thinking we might even today get above the 10 moving average because of the divergence. Not only that, on the MACD, we are right now looking to get this bullish cross. Now the bullish this bullish cross is not finished yet. It will be finished tomorrow if we can close this in today in green. So if you close today in green, you got a bullish cross, you got double divergence, you are still in this some kind of triangle. I'm looking to the upside, guys. I'm looking to the upside, and it does look nice. It does definitely looks nice overall. So let's go to the small time frames and see what's happening. You see also here 15 minutes left, and this candle is superbly bullish. So this is a 4-hourly candle, this is a 4-hourly candle. So right after the close, this is the daily or weekly close, we went down, but right now we are going right back up again, right? And this is a 4-hourly candle. This looks like we are going to close it as a bullish engulfing candle. Number 1, that's a bullish signal. Number 2, we are above the 20 and the 10 moving average over here. So chances for closing above the 20 moving average are there. Only 15 minutes left. So I'm really, never say I won't start the party too early. But if we close above the 20 moving average, that's a super bullish signal, because here we failed to break it once, failed to break it twice, and now this is a third try to to break the 20 moving average. Now if we manage to do this over here, it's gonna be good. I'm thinking we're gonna have a really nice week this week. You know, we might go quite substantially up, but first thing first, getting above the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily, on the 4-hourly chart. On the daily chart is really important, getting above the 10 moving average over here, you know, but nothing is certain yet, so we're gonna see how this unfolds during the day. But this, to me, if we can close, still 40 minutes left, you can see the price is fighting right now for the 20 moving average. Let's remove this and just put the line where we need to close above. We need to close above 35,726, and we are there right now. So as long as we close above 35,726, we're gonna be good. 11 of spades says first thing first, we need to dump to 20k. Yeah, everybody's looking for that, but like, you know, when everybody's looking for something, not really doesn't always happen that way. But this looks to me like some kind of a bottom right now. It might be some kind of local bottom, because it's not a very big bottom. It looks like some kind of local bottom. Not this one, sorry. Daily chart. Yeah, this looks to me some kind of bottom, guys. I've seen a lot of charts. We got the bullish cross coming. We got double divergence. We are in this triangle right now, which is continuation pattern. That's what's bothering me. So you know, we can we should be continuing to the downside, you know, because of triangle. But you know, never say never. This can continue to the upside. But first thing first, we want to get above the 20 moving average up here, right up here. We want to get above 20 moving average, and that would be like the best case scenario for the day, if we can get above the 10 moving average, 10 moving average on the daily, 10 moving average on the daily. But still inside same triangle, so nothing has actually changed this much. Oliver Vlashkovac says this is the bottom. I think this might be some kind of a local bottom. I think we're gonna get the move up to the top side, at least to the top side up here. But you know, after we break the 10 moving average over here, I think we will have to see how this resistance perform up here, because there is a lot of resistance upside. Just looking by the daily chart, you got the triangle line, you got the top here at 39,000, you got a 20 moving average coming up here, there is 200 moving average up here, like all important stuff is up here. So this might actually only help us get up to the resistance up here, and then we might actually continue going down. So I'm not saying this is bottom, we are going to the 100,000 something like that, but I think this is bottom maybe for today, yesterday or something like that. And right now we should have some kind of small move to the upside to some 39,000 something like that, at least the 39 something, before we actually decide if we want to break them to the upside or we want to go back and break them on the downside. MM Crypto thinks we are going to 20k. Yeah, maybe it does. I haven't checked his latest video, so I'm not quite sure what part he's talking about. But I don't see right now. Today, I don't see it. We are not going down today. I don't think we are going down tomorrow. If we get rejected by the 10 moving average, then maybe tomorrow we are going down. But if you get above the 10 moving average, then tomorrow we are not going down either. I mean, don't take it too seriously. Like you know, when I say like I think this is bottom, we are gonna go up to stuff. We can of course go down. You know, ML Crypto says we're going down to 20k, whatever. And there is probably other indications that we might actually drop it. I just don't see it right now. It just looks a little bit too bullish to me to drop to 20k right now. This is double divergence on the daily chart. It has to play out. This part has to play out at least to the 10 moving average. There is a bullish cross coming on the daily chart, not confirmed yet. Keep in mind, not confirmed. So this is not confirmed. Things are not confirmed quite yet. But on the 4-hourly, we still got how many? 10 minutes left, and we are breaking the 20 moving average, which is actually quite a nice thing to do. So with all the bullishness, I just think we're gonna have a small move to the upside. I think we're just gonna have a small move to the upside, at least to the top of the triangle, at least to the top of the triangle, because I think we have to get out to the top of the triangle again, because on here we had like is the triangle, right? We had down, we had 1, 2, 3 hits on the downside, but on the upside we had only 1, 2. I think we need a third hit on the upside. So however you look at it, I think we're gonna go first. If we're gonna go back to the 20,000, I think we're gonna go hit the resistance first and then go to 20,000, or we're gonna break the triangle to the upside and continue to the upside. So you know, but I don't think we are just gonna go start dropping here today. I don't think that's gonna happen. So I think we're gonna have a green day today, guys. I think alts are gonna perform fine. You know, but you know, if we break this line of support down here, if we start going down for whatever reason, you know, everything I said goes out of the window, and you know, you should probably listen to MM Crypto and 20k. If you have 50k, how would you spend it on BTC? Have you some advice? You know, you decide when you buy and sell, what you buy and sell and stuff like that, but just remember that this is not the we don't know if this is still continuation of the bull market or not, right? So if you do buy anything, number one, you have to understand that once you are in some kind of profit, at least put your stop loss right above the profit or right below your entry point, right? So you can get out as well if the price starts creating, you know, we can go up, but then it can just continue going down, and you know, right then you are sitting down with a dip. So do have some kind of stop loss, whatever you do. Okay, guys, that's for the tech analysis. Let's read the chat a little bit. Living the reality, Hopium really wrecked me. Yeah, Hopium wrecks everybody. That's why Hopium is. In technical analysis, assumptions are terrible. We do not want to assume anything. We just want to see how the price is going. We want to see the bullishness versus bearishness. We take risk, but we don't assume big stuff, you know. We don't assume. I don't spam. I think it's possible to come downwards toward the bottom of the triangle first. We are already technically at the bottom of the triangle, man. We are already at the bottom. 1, 2, how many times do you want us to go down to the triangle? I think that's like people wanted to buy. No, we're gonna go back down and I'm gonna buy on the bottom. We are already been on the bottom, man. We already been there. What's a good entry point for Radar? No clue, man. Hello, my bearded guy. Hello, Orbovic. How you doing? Any news about Tron and VeChain? I am not following the news, so I don't know what's happening there. Can you please check XRP? Not in this video. I'll do XRP update in maybe 30 minutes or something. So do check the channel out. What's that now? Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's for Bitcoin tech analysis for today. As you see, we are actually quite bullish today, and I'm hoping this is gonna stay out through the entire day. Wait until the 4-hourly close. It's still 6 minutes, like 6 minutes. What am I gonna do for 6 minutes? Okay, guys, post questions. Let's wait 6 minutes and see what's happening. Okay, we're gonna keep the string going for 6 more minutes, 29 seconds, and see where we close on the 4-hourly time frame, and then we're gonna see if we are bullish or not. Can you stream every day? I stream every single day at 9:30 Central European time. We do Bitcoin technical analysis the first thing in the morning, because it's super important to know what Bitcoin is gonna do, because your alts are really dependent on Bitcoin's move. And right now, I think your alts are gonna perform good. Chill out. Altcoin sale. Altcoin, there is no altcoin sale. Right now everything is green. So it technically is overpriced. If I'm about even right now with my holdings, should I sell and wait for the dip or hodl? Rose cannot help you with that. Sorry. No, do I buy, do I sell question, because I cannot do that. What do you think bull market? What do you think bull market, is it over? I said before, I'm not the greatest market cycle analyst. You know, tech analysis fine, but big moves, market cycles, you know, I'm not quite there yet. So if you just look on a weekly chart, we are, you know, if you want to continue the bull market, you know, you want some kind of confirmation. If you get above 10 and 20 moving average, that's decent, and then you have the resistance line. You have to get above that as well. So you know, and then you have this one, and you have to get above that as well. So you know, somewhere in the park of, if you can get above somewhere like 55,000 plus or something like that, I'd say that bull market is continuing. But you know, I'm not assuming anything. I'm not assuming we're gonna go to any kind of number, because assumptions will make you lose money. So don't assume anything. I personally love your tech analysis, bro. You're one of the best. Keep it out. Thanks, man. I try to keep you know, tech analysis as real as it gets. I'm not trying to assume stuff, and I'm also trying to be as precise as I can be, you know. Comb your hair, bro. Yeah, I'm not really into combing the hair, man. I like to do this, you know. And it's fine, you know. No problem, man. No problem. We here on this channel, we men, you know. We don't care. Why do some people use EMAS when all it does is follow price so closely? So the question between EMAS and you can see that I use simple moving averages. People use exponential moving average. Ron Adopter, hi man, how you doing? Welcome back to the chat. You've seen that people are using EMAS, and I don't like using EMAS because if you see any kind of big investor or something like that, or a fund or institution, right, they all use 50, 100, 200 moving averages on the daily and weekly charts, right? So why would I use the EMAS, right? There is no good explanation. When people are telling you why you should use EMAS, they say yes, because it's more precise. Precise on what? Basically, it's a mathematical formula to take into consideration the last candles and give them more value over previous candles. When all you want to do with moving averages is actually have a average from the 10 last closes, right? You want to know what's the average price. Like if you're an investor and you go and say, hey man, what's the average price last 3 months, you know? And then you say, the average price was all the way down at 100, but like now I see it now 500, right? And you're like, maybe I'm gonna wait till it falls a little bit back down to the average price. But if you look at Amazon, maybe it's like 200 or something like that, you know. But you know, the big institutions, they're looking at moving simple moving average. They just want to, moving averages are only support and resistance lines. Wherever this line is, that's a resistance, right? Why would I make this line go up here? Then there's no reason, you know, there's no reason for that. And guys, look at this. I remember what you guys did. Remember what you guys did. This is exponential moving average. Let's remove this. Let's remove everything from over here. The blue one is exponential moving average, and the simple one. So simple one, this is the red one. That's the 20 moving average, and here we also gonna have an exponential moving average on the 20, and not on this chart. It was Binance chart. Yeah, it was daily. No. Why does it change, guys? Why is it changed? Because I was watching Crypto at the time. I was watching Crypto, and every single broke it. How is this possible? How is this possible? Do you remember, guys, that when Crypto had so this is exponential moving average. It's 20, and maybe he's using 21. Oh yeah, that's it. There we go. Yeah, of course. So here's the thing. If you remember this candle close over here, Crypto had a Crypto was looking at 21 exponential moving average, and everybody was everybody was super hyped that we closed above 21 moving average. But I was looking at 20 moving average, and we broke that, like, you know what? We broke that like crazy, some crazy numbers down here, right? And we also broke this level up here, so I couldn't stay, like, you cannot stay bullish when you see this, but everybody was, no, it's fine, we stayed above the 21 moving average, and so we are we're gonna bounce off of that. We held the support, and then we just continued on. You can also argue that we broke the 21 exponential moving average over here, but you know, especially on these big time frames, you know. So my experience is that simple moving averages are a lot more precise than exponential. My experience, you know, you use what you want to use, and you know, I'll use what I want to use. And also the reason people are using 21 and 55 numbers instead of 20 and 50 is just superstition, because they believe that they have more value above 20 and 50, because 21 and 55 are Fibonacci numbers, so they use Fibonacci for everything, you know. So that's why I don't like Fibonacci. People are just putting too much faith in the nature So, you know, 4 hourly closed. Oh, it was already 6 minutes. Okay, let's go back and see what's happening over here. Let me just go a little bit. I think I removed some lines. I want my lines back. Yeah, okay, let's go into here. Go to the 4 hourly. Okay, let's see what's happening with the 4 hourly. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, here we go as well. The red one is 10 and the white one is 20 moving average. The blue one is exponential 21 moving average, if you want to see that. So just by looking at the exponential moving average, we are still bearish. But I'm saying that we are bullish because we just managed to have a big bullish engulfing candle. It's bigger, a lot bigger than the red candle. So this green one is a bullish engulfing candle. And we crossed the 10 and 20 moving average right now. So the only thing we cannot afford now is to go right back below the 10 and 20 moving. So still 4 hours left, but as long as we can stay above the 10 and 20 moving average and make some kind of big move to the upside, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. But this is really bullish to me. This is really bullish to me. It looks like some kind of spring over here that we might actually get above. So we're gonna see if that's actually gonna happen or not. But right now, I think it is a bullish candle. It did close above the 10 moving average. Sorry, 20 moving average up here. So right now we're gonna see if we get rejected by that or not. But for you guys that are into EMAS, this is a exponential moving average, and technically we are still below it, you know, for whatever reason it might be. So we're gonna see if this actually pans out and we continue going higher from here or not. I think we actually might actually start doing already well from over here, because we actually are. I am bullish, guys. I don't know about you. I'm bullish. I'm looking to the upside. My conviction is this is gonna go all the way up to the resistance, at least to the resistance. So that's some kind of 38 number, something like this. But of course, if the trade starts going against you or something like that, against me, you know, not financial wise, but if it starts going down, you know, taking no prisoners, it might actually go down to 20,000. But I'm bullish for today, really bullish. I don't know about you guys, and take that however you want to do it. And as always, we got the merch cup, only one of a kind. You know, there will be some bidding, I understand that. It's slightly used. Anyways, guys, 9:30 every day. It's Central European time. Do stop by. We are doing tech canals on Bitcoin every single day. So if you want to know what's happening every single day on Bitcoin, like, are we going up, are we going down, every single candle, we are looking at it, exploring the possibilities of what Bitcoin might do. You might want to check this channel out. And tomorrow's video at 9:30 Central European time. That's it, guys. I need to make a few YouTube videos. I need to do some other stuff, you know. Have fun. I think everybody's gonna do fine today. I think everybody's gonna. But in case this goes against me, you know, don't blame it on me. Blame it on Fibonacci numbers. Okay. Anyways, have fun, guys. See you around. Where's my